Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's Mika, Mystic Madam. And yes, I am back with another video. And if you are new to this channel and you like what you see, you love this video, make sure you subscribe to the channel and make sure you like, share, and comment down below. And do not forget to make sure you turn on your post notifications so the next time I upload a new video you'll be the first to know. So guys, I am going in with this new recipe, this new Taco Tuesday recipe, a little more healthier, using vegan meat as it says in the title. So it's going to be a vegan style taco, and I am using black pepper, some taco sauce that's 25% less sodium, also some pink Himalaya salt, so a little bit of onion powder and a little bit of garlic powder, and just some diced cut up onions, not diced really, but cut up onions I'm going to use. So let's go ahead and get into this video, guys. And guys, this meal was so good, that's what I'm going to tell you. You can have the option to do it with regular beef, chicken, but I wanted to do it vegan style. I wanted to try out this plant-based meat that I purchased. And guys, you will not be disappointed if you try this. Even you don't have to be vegan. You know, I'm just trying to be a little more healthy and use more healthier choices. I still eat chicken. I'm not a real big red meat eater. I was never a big red meat eater, but I still do eat chicken. I still do eat fish. But you know, I wanted to really clean myself out and just throughout the week or the weekends, just pick some days where I'm just not eating meat at all and just eating vegan style. So that's why I decided to make these tacos. And guys, that's just the plant-based meat that I wanted to actually show you guys. That's what it looks like inside the package. And of course, I already opened the pack up and put it inside the pan. So that's what we're going to be cooking up, and we'll be back.
And we reach a point we can't rewind. Maybe I need some space, need some air, somewhere else to go, to release, to relax, to let my emotions flow. But for now, I treat it and delete it, knowing you won't read it before we get too far away. I need to clear my mind. I'd rather just tweet it and delete it. Oh, before we cross the line and we reach a point we can't rewind. Rewind, rewind, rewind.
Okay guys, so I'm just going to stir it around one more last time before I put the lid on it and let it cook and simmer down. It takes about 11 to 12 minutes to cook, for it to get brown. It doesn't take that long for this plant-based meat to cook, so it's real fast, quick meal you can do on a weekday if you don't have a lot of time to be sitting in the kitchen cooking, and it's healthy. I did try to find vegan cheese, and you'll see that later on, but I didn't find a vegan cheese, so unfortunately I'm just gonna have to stick to my dairy cheese and my dairy sour cream. But let's move on to this Pico De Gallo I'm about to make for you guys. So, hey guys, please excuse the noise in the background. Okay, so I have my cilantro, which you see right here. I'm about to just chop them up a little bit. Just put them grind them down a little more before I put them inside the chopper. I like to use also cherry tomatoes. I think it's more sweeter to me. However, you can use the type of tomatoes you like. I prefer these ones because it's more sweeter, has more juice, and it's just easier for me to overall to cut. So tomatoes can be kind of messy sometimes cutting them, you know, and if you don't be careful, you can cut your hands. Okay, and also you see I had the jalapeno. That's the cut of jalapeno that I showed you in the first clip. I like to put a little aloe vera oil in it so that it just keeps it from sticking while I'm chopping up the vegetables in this chopper. Plus it gives it a lot of flavor. So, you know, it's just the same way if you had salad, you know, you use a little aloe oil. I don't know why I keep calling it aloe vera oil, but aloe oil. And the olive oil is, it's just, it has a good flavor to it when you're using it for like vegetables and salad and stuff. And this is what all the Pico De Gallo is like a small mini salad or something, like a sauce. I mean, but it's so flavorful. I think it's the cilantro and the lime that really brings in the flavor, along with the olive oil. So. But yeah, I'm gonna add some tomatoes. Guys, mine tends sometimes to come out a little more green because I love cilantro leaves. I use a lot. I'm guilty of that. And I don't use too many tomatoes because I'm not a big tomato fan, but it just tastes so good when it's mixed in with the other ingredients to make this pico de gallo. And guys, I don't know. You make it how you want to make it, but I'm telling you right now, if you make it the way I make it, you are not going to be disappointed. I do put a little onion powder, a little garlic powder in it as well. And my last little thing, you might think I'm weird for this. Yeah, I'm about to show you some sweetener. I usually use sugar too, but I'm trying to stay away from the extra calories, so I use the sweetener because it's 0 calories. Yeah, but when you bring those flavors together, the sweet and the salty and the tang and spice, it tend to give you a awesome flavor. And that's why if you make it the way I make it, your pico de gallo is going to taste the bomb. Trust me. You will not be disappointed, like I said. And we're going to go ahead and just chop this up. And we're going to go ahead and move on to prepping my plate. And you can see how it comes out. Oh, I knew I should have just ate a little bit of it on camera, but I was just ready to eat, and I just turned the camera off, and I was over. I was over it. I was ready to go. So I'm sorry, guys, about that. All right, but yeah, we'll be back.
Don't come back. And I need to do this alone, so just stop calling me up. Just realize that we're done. I won't come back. I have dreams about us. I just want it to stop, because I miss you so much. I miss the way we touch, and I need to make it stop. But I still think about it all the time. I won't stop until it's over. But I still think about it all the time. It's never over till it's over. There is no us no more. No, I'm grasping at straws, trying to save myself. Don't want.
Okay, guys, so I have my sour cream, my pico de gallo sauce on there. I'm about to add some cheese. And as I said before, I couldn't find any shredded Mexican blend cheese or any vegan style cheese. So that's the reason why I decided to use this. And of course, it still came out delicious. I couldn't do full vegan and dairy free, but it's still much more healthier, a much more healthier meal. And this is what the end result looks like. I'm loving it. It looks good. It tastes good. It was just awesome. Like, I wanted to go back for like seconds and thirds, but I said I had to control my portions because I'm trying to live this healthier lifestyle, baby, for 2020. If you know what I mean. Gotta get healthy. Gotta get healthy. Gotta get this weight off my body. So, my Weight Watchers program that I'm on, my points only allows me to be able to eat this much. And to be honest, I was full. I took my time, so that's probably why I wanted to get seconds and thirds later on, because I ate kind of early, and this is done around like 5:30. So I was done with my food about 6:30. And once I drank my little tea and my water, I just like, what, save the rest of it for another day. But it was good. It was delicious, guys. I would just advise you to try it. You don't have to be a complete vegan. You don't have to live a complete vegan lifestyle, but there's nothing wrong with just being a little more healthy and making more healthier choices. So if you like what I did here, again, subscribe to my channel. Don't forget to like, share, and comment down below. And also, just let me know what other videos you want to see. Comment down below and see what other videos you want to see. I will be doing more hair videos that will be coming soon as well. So please stay tuned for my next video. Until next time, stay blessed, stay beautiful as always. Smooches.
Yeah, a place that we used to go all the time.